कोरोना लॉकडाऊन कर्फ्यूचो गरीब आणि कामगार समाजाक त्रास जावंक लागिल्ल्यान संवसारीक भलायकी संघटना WHOन हुस्को उक्तायला. मात हे विशीं भारतांत मोदी सरकारान समाजीक स्किमी वरवीं ह्या समाज घटकाक आधार करूंक उखलिल्ल्या पावलांशी WHOन तुस्त केल्या. मोदी सरकारान उखल्ल्यांत तशीं पावलां उखलप कितल्याशाच मोठ्या राष्ट्रांक जमिल्ली ना. आनी इतलें आसूनय भारतान कोरोनाचो सामुहीक पावड्यार प्रभाव मर्यादीत राखला म्हूण WHOन निरीक्षण नोंद केलां.
I have called on governments to put in place social welfare measures to ensure vulnerable people have food and other life essentials during this crisis. In India, for example, Prime Minister Modi has announced a $24 billion package including free food rations for 800 million disadvantaged people, cash transfers to 204 million poor women, and free cooking of gas for 80 million households for the next 3 months. Many developing countries will struggle to implement social welfare programs of this nature. For those countries, debt relief is essential to enable them to take care of their people and avoid economic collapse.